Hello and welcome to Business and Money Channel. Today, we will be discussing 10 ways to make money on TikTok. So let's go. Number 1, partner with brands and create sponsored content. Sponsored content is content that is created in partnership with a brand and is intended to promote that brand's products or services. If you have a large following on TikTok and a strong engagement rate, brands may be interested in working with you to create sponsored content. This can be a lucrative way to make money on TikTok, as you can negotiate payment for each sponsored post or a flat fee for a campaign. Number 2, sell products through TikTok Live. TikTok Live is a feature that allows you to go live on the app and interact with your followers in real time. You can use this feature to sell products directly to your followers. This can be especially effective if you have a product that you can demonstrate or show off during your live stream. You can sell your own products or products from other companies as an affiliate, earning a commission on each sale. Number 3, monetize your TikTok videos through the Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is a program run by TikTok that allows eligible creators to monetize their videos through in-app purchases and ad revenue. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you must have a large following on TikTok and consistently create high-quality content. If you are accepted into the Creator Fund, you can earn money from your TikTok videos through in-app purchases, such as virtual gifts and ad revenue. Number 4, offer services through TikTok. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can use TikTok to promote your services and find clients. For example, you could offer photography or editing services. You can use TikTok to showcase your work and attract potential clients, either by posting videos of your work or by including a link to your portfolio in your TikTok bio. Number 5, collaborate with other TikTok creators. Collaborating with other creators can help you reach a new audience and potentially make money through sponsored content or the Creator Fund. You can collaborate with other creators by creating content together, such as by participating in a TikTok challenge or creating a duet video. Collaborations can also lead to new business opportunities, such as the opportunity to work on sponsored content together. Number 6, utilize TikTok's duet feature. TikTok's duet feature allows you to create a split-screen video with another user's video. You can use this feature to create content for brands or to promote your own products or services. For example, you could create a duet video with a brand's product and include a discount code in the video's caption. Number 7, sell products through TikTok's e-commerce features. TikTok has recently introduced e-commerce features, including a Shop Now button that allows you to sell products directly through the app. You can use this feature to sell your own products or products from other companies as an affiliate. The Shop Now button can be added to your TikTok profile, making it easy for your followers to browse and purchase your products. Number 8, utilize TikTok's Donate feature. TikTok's Donate feature allows users to make financial contributions to creators directly through the app. This can be a way for your followers to support you financially if they enjoy your content. You can use the Donate feature to accept one-time donations or set up a recurring donation option. Number 9, promote your Patreon or other crowdfunding accounts. If you have a Patreon or other crowdfunding account, you can use TikTok to promote it and encourage your followers to support you financially. You can post videos explaining your crowdfunding campaign and the rewards you are offering to supporters. You can also include a link to your crowdfunding page in your TikTok bio so that your followers can easily find it. Number 10, participate in TikTok challenges and trends. Participating in TikTok challenges and trends can help you gain visibility and potentially lead to sponsored content opportunities or increased engagement on your content. TikTok challenges are video trends that involve users creating videos using a specific theme or hashtag. By participating in popular challenges and using relevant hashtags, you can increase the chances that your content will be discovered by a larger audience. You may also have the opportunity to collaborate with other creators and potentially make money through sponsored content or the Creator Fund. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Hope to see you guys again next time. Cheers.